Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have a small Stampin' Up haul for you. Before I get started on that, I don't know if I hauled this before, but it's the Handmade Wishes bundle, and it comes with the handmade tag and the Handmade Wishes stamp set. This is the stamp set we're going to be using for my online class this month. So if you purchased this, or you purchased $50 worth of product, or you are a demonstrator on my team, then you too will be invited to this class. So you could use this stamp set in our class, or you can use any stamp set that you wish to use. But I will be teaching some cards and tags for this month's online class. So let's go ahead and get into what I have purchased last month and just got them. So let's see here. The first thing are these North Pole sacks. They are adorable. They are how does it say how big they are? 6 1/4 by 4 1/8. So we'll be using those for some of our upcoming classes. And these guys, I don't know if you could see them or not. You cannot tell in the catalog. These are gold adhesive backed swirls. Beautiful. And those are in the framed florets little bundle that is now available. It's available early. And I said catalog, and I mean online. So it's not in any written catalog yet, but it will be in the next one. But it's the framed florets. I didn't buy the whole entire bundle. I only bought this stamp set because I wanted what worked for me, and I've already opened it. And you guys, there are some beautiful dies in here. So I will put a picture of the dies. There's also cut out. There's also some designer series paper, and I'll show that as well at the end. But again, I didn't buy it. I just happened to get a picture of one of my friends who did that. Her name is Jenny. She bought the whole thing, and it is beautiful. And I am okay with just buying this part. There is a whole entire set that you can buy this month and till the end of the year. So just so you know, the stamp sets are going to be continued over. I don't know if the adhesive back swirls are going to be carried over, and I don't know if the designer series paper is going to be continued over. All right, I also picked up an oldie but goodie. I picked up a couple of them. The rhinestone basic jewels. I needed more of those. And then this one I'm going to be doing a class with, not this one. This is the quatrefoil tile. So it makes that beautiful tile look. Let's see. Kind of like a pressed tin, right? Is what I'm thinking that it looks like. Yeah, it's kind of like a mosaic. I don't know if you can see that or not. I can barely see it here, but there you go. And then this is the one that I'm going to be doing a class on. This will be an extra class. If you are in my newsletter, you'll get information about this. This is using the alphabet stamp set and punch. It's called the Best Label Punch. And I am super excited for this little guy. And then the alphabets as well. So that is my little haul, you guys. I would definitely suggest getting the framed florets, and the alphabet bundle. So, all right. And again, if you wanted to join me, grab your Handmade Wishes. Usually I do my classes online on the last Saturday of each month. This one's going to be earlier. This one's going to be on the 19th because of the holidays. So I hope you like this. Make sure you are subscribed to my newsletter. You could do so by going to beautyandthestamper.com to subscribe. You'll get all the information of my upcoming classes and any last minute sales get on there as well. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.